To find the best app to buy stocks on your iPhone or Android device in 2025, you should consider several key factors including fees, user interface, and investment options. Start by researching popular stock trading apps such as Robinhood, Fidelity, and E-Trade, which are highly rated for their ease of use and competitive pricing. When evaluating these apps, look for low or no commission fees for buying and selling stocks, as well as a user-friendly interface that allows you to easily navigate and manage your portfolio. Consider the types of investments offered, such as individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, and options, to ensure the app aligns with your investment goals. Another important factor is security. So make sure the app has robust security measures in place to protect your personal and financial information. You should also consider the educational resources and customer support offered by the app, as these can be invaluable in helping you make informed investment decisions. For iPhone users, the Robinhood app is a popular choice, known for its simple and intuitive interface, while Android users may prefer the Fidelity app, which offers a wide range of investment options and research tools. Ultimately, the best app for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. So it is essential to try out a few different options to see which one works best for you. In addition to these factors, you should also consider the app's ratings and reviews from other users, as well as any additional features it may offer, such as real-time market data and alerts. By taking the time to research and compare different stock trading apps, you can find the one that best meets your needs and helps you achieve your investment goals. It is also essential to keep in mind that investing in the stock market involves risk, and it is crucial to educate yourself and develop a long-term investment strategy to minimize losses and maximize gains. With the right app and a solid understanding of the stock market, you can make informed investment decisions and work towards achieving financial success.